Looking for a way to get sharper, more reliable shifting on your Honda TRX400EX? If you ride hard and demand instant response from your ATV, settling for a flimsy shift lever just won't cut it. This heavy-duty folding shift lever is built specifically for TRX400EX models from 1999 to 2007, delivering a stronger, more precise feel that stands up to aggressive trail and track riding. From the very first ride, you'll notice the difference in control and confidence behind every gear change. Here's the story. Stock shift levers often bend or break under the pressure of tough rides, leaving you with sloppy shifts and potential damage to critical parts. That's why this lever is made from durable steel, ready to withstand repeated impacts from rocks, ruts, and trail obstacles. The folding tip isn't just a neat feature, it's a smart design that absorbs hits by folding away instead of transferring force directly to your transmission or shift shaft. That means fewer repairs and more time on the trail. What really sets this lever apart is the stiff, solid construction. Unlike factory levers that feel loose or sloppy, this one offers a positive, deliberate shifting response. You get consistent, confident gear changes that keep your momentum going, even when the lever bumps into something on tricky terrain. Plus, it's engineered to prevent your bike from popping out of gear when you least want it to, something every serious rider appreciates. Installation is quick and straightforward, making this an ideal upgrade whether you're replacing a worn-out factory lever or building a more trail-ready machine. Beyond durability and performance, this lever also offers excellent value. It's both tougher and more affordable than many stock replacements. That means you get better quality without breaking the bank. If you're ready to enhance your Honda TRX400EX with a shift lever that improves feel, boosts control, and protects your drivetrain during hard riding, this folding shift lever is worth a look. Click the product link in the video description to check current pricing and availability. Try it when you're ready and subscribe for more ATV parts, upgrades, and rider-focused recommendations.